All right, everyone, this is a little bit more of a home video style than my normal, but in this video, I'm gonna walk you through essentially when I sat on my seat, it was wobbling from side to side. Not only that, but as I moved up and down, there was a big squeak that was happening up and down the rail, and I couldn't figure it out. So my husband and I, Aaron, we decided to kind of take everything apart. We had trouble finding videos on how to take the seat off. So unfortunately, I started recording after we did it, but about halfway through, you'll see us putting it back on, and I walk you through kind of what the trouble was for us. I hope that you find this helpful. It's kind of our process in figuring out how to take that seat off, how we tightened it, how it fixed that wobbling seat. And we didn't quite get all the way finished with the squeak, but as I've been rowing on it for a while, I really don't notice the squeak like I did. So hopefully that this helps some of you out. And yeah, here you go. Okay, if you need to get your seat off of your concept 2, we're gonna kind of show you in reverse, but basically you're gonna break your thing into 2 as if you're gonna store it. We actually already took it off, but we will show you putting it back together.
Different options for this hole and 2 different options for those holes. These 3 are all slightly different heights. They look like they're the same height, but they're all slightly different heights. And same with this. So we're going to...
So that one's lower and that's the highest.
Remove and place them in the whichever direction it is. I'm not sure right now.
Okay, so right now we're trying to fix if the seat is wobbling side to side and we had trouble finding a video, that's what we're trying to fix. So Aaron is using a wrench to remove this. I guess 2 things. 2 wrenches? Is that a wrench? Allen wrench?
An Allen wrench and an actual wrench.
That's an Allen wrench?
Yeah.
Look, I'm learning, guys.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, so we're taking it off, and we're gonna try and make it tighter.
Yeah.
So.
And I wanna kind of just like.
So
look.
tighter is gonna go higher.
So the bar. These wheels, the bar goes between these. So tighter means this one is going to be that way, and this one is going to be that way.
Okay.
And that looks closer to what we want.
That's the lower one.
Exactly.
Okay, so we want the lower one on the top and the higher one on the bottom.
And saying top and bottom is hard because this is upside down right now.
Got it.
We want to make that gap
tighter.
Yeah.
So this top one is going to go lower. This one here is going to go higher. And that will cinch it to make it less room. Because according to the Concept 2 site, doing this over time, your wheels will wear down. So you're trying to basically make it tighter when it's on the rail. And then we use the wrench and the Allen wrench. Booyah!
So I didn't tighten it all the way. I want to check the fit before I do that.
Sounds good. And then we're going to do it on both sides and on the bottom ones, and we'll come back.
So I've only adjusted these 2. I have not adjusted this one yet, but I want to put it on and see how it is.
All right, so we got it. Gosh. So it just slides on.
Oh, and that now right there is it. That's it.
It doesn't wobble side to side.
Yeah.
So we didn't even change both. You might need to. So test it after one like we just did and see how it goes. But just slide it on. You can see he's trying to go side to side and there's nothing happening anymore. All right, so we have the seat is back on. We just slid it on from this end. Now it's at the bottom. This is upright, and we have to get this thing back on. Wasn't there another part too first?
This is the first one.
Okay.
Yeah, and these little things are 2-part pins, and I don't know what they're called, but.
So basically, we had to get this off to get the seat off. So Aaron is just pushing them into place, basically. And then on this side, he's putting in that little thing. So he pushed it through, put that second little piece together, and then just make sure that it's together. Then we have, oh, he's doing that on the other side first.
It's not going all the way. There we go.
All right, so now that piece is in. And he's just using that for pushing it together. To try and get this to be flat, right?
Yep.
All right, then
This
we
piece.
have this piece. It apparently goes like that. And that just set in there. And then this was the part that was a pain in the booty. Oh wait, that's not the pain in the boot. Is that the pain in the boot?
Yeah.
All right, so screw is going on that end. Did you want to do one at a time?
I want to make sure they're both in. I'm not going to push it all the way through though.
So he's making sure that they're in. We had trouble getting these out together because we couldn't get the leverage. So we recommend when you're taking it out, do one, get it all the way out, and then do the other one.
Sugar strike.
Oh, sorry, on this side. So you can see how one's not pressed in yet because we just couldn't get the leverage, and I'll get out of your way so you can actually do it. Do you need me to hold it again?
No. I'm kind of shoving this in here.
And we actually had one person holding this and the other person trying to undo it. So if you need help, grab help.
There we go. And then we're gonna.
And then push the second one in and do that one.
And this one's a lot easier.
Definition of home video right here.
Okay. Nice and tight. So.
All right. So now the seat, if we try to move it,
Let's.
the seat is not coming off.
Yeah.
So this is what we ran into. We were trying to get it off, and that's what we did. So this sound is what we're trying to fix, and it started with the seat was wobbling. So we figured out that and tightened that, which you saw. So now this is it with the seat tighter, and it's still making that noise. We're trying to figure out if it's coming from the seat or the rail. We think for us it's coming from the rail, something at the rail. So we'll see what we do next. So is it from the top part?
I can't tell. It's
Because
somewhat.
you also have the force down there.
I mean, but that's what happens when you shift your weight. It's doing that at a
Right.
much smaller scale, but it's that same noise.
So attached and detached it happens.
Yeah.
Okay, which lets us know it's the second part.
Okay, so I don't think this comes off. I think this little cover is bolted.
Okay, but we don't know how to tighten this.
No, because I can't. So let me flip this up.
Okay, so we flipped it upside down. Our goal now is to see if we can get to this little bolt in there, but the angle is tough, so we don't know what we're gonna get in there to be able to hold it. Show us what you found, Ian.
7/16 socket wrench is skinny. I didn't think it would be enough, but it's skinny enough to fit in and over. So that is grabbing on there.
Okay.
And if you have something skinny enough to get in there and turn, that works too. But for now, I'm going to use another wrench to grab that to prevent it from, yeah.
Okay. All right, so now we flipped it back over.
Hold on. Oh, okay, there we go.
Our goal is to tighten the top part. Aaron is going to take his new contraption he has put together to hold the bottom, and then a normal, what are you using on the top?
It's a star bit. I think it's called a Torx bit.
Okay, that thingy that fits in there. Basically, we're going to hold on the bottom and tighten on the top. And I'm going to go help him in a second if he needs it. Do you need help?
Nope, I got it. All my tools are falling apart. Oh, yeah, there is definitely room for that to tighten. All right.
All right, we're going to do the same thing on the other side.
There's definitely room.
Oh, you had a lot to move there.
Yeah, I don't know if it'll make a difference or not, but there's definitely room.
All right, so we tightened the top two.
Yeah.
Now we're going to see if it squeaks.
And we already tightened these guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We tightened the bottom ones and that didn't do
Ooh.
anything. Are you
Did
sure?
I?
I thought you couldn't get in there.
Oh, let me try again. I did at least one. Now I don't remember. Oh, now this is stuck. Okay. And again, I don't have an angle bit, so.
So basically, find all your tools, attempt everything, and see what fits, is what we're doing.
It's still turning. Promising. Promising.
What? All right, so we're gonna reattach it. You all likely know this part from when you assembled your rower. Watch your fingers. Sit on the seat and they test. Oh,
It's better.
it's definitely better.
And if you're not actively trying to make it, that might be enough.
It is definitely better. It still squeaks a little, but
And it might squeak more for you. Yeah, it's still kind of there.